Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, and a very good morning to all of my dear student. In this video we will discuss the frequency of electromagnetic wave frequency. Okay, now look at this. Here some relations are given. V equal to F lambda. V is the velocity of light, and F is the frequency, and wavelength. Lambda is a wavelength. So the relation between velocity, frequency and wavelength is V equal to F lambda. If you want to find the frequency, then F equal to V by lambda. So we will see that if V is constant, V is fixed, then we get F equal to F varies 1 by lambda, means F is indirectly or inversely proportional to the lambda. It means that if lambda is increases, then frequency is decreases. If lambda is maximum, then frequency will be the minimum. If lambda will be the minimum or decreases, then frequency will be increases. Okay, now we know the electromagnetic wavelength of the electromagnetic waves. Here gamma rays, X-rays, ultraviolet, and VIBGYOR, that is visible rays, infrared, microwaves, radio waves. So all wavelengths are given. So look at this. Here gamma rays, the maximum, that is the minimum wavelength, that is below 0.1 angstrom. Okay, and the radio waves has maximum wavelength. So the frequency of the gamma rays will be the maximum. Why? Because the gamma rays is a wavelength is 0.1 below 0.1 angstrom. That is the minimum wavelength. So if this radio wave is minimum, then the frequency will be the maximum. So the gamma rays maximum frequency 10 to the power 19 Hz. Hz is the unit of frequency. SZ, HERTZ. Okay, Hz. Now look at this. The radio wave 10 to the power 11 angstrom. The wavelength of the radio wave is 10 to the power 11. That is the maximum wavelength. So if this is maximum, then this will be the minimum. So the frequency of the radio wave is minimum. That is 3 into 10 to the power 7 Hz. Okay, what is the visible rays frequency? Or first see the wavelength. Wavelength, that is 4,000 angstrom to 8,000. 4,000 angstrom is that is violet color wavelength, and red 8,000 angstrom wavelength of this. So the range of the frequency will be 7.5 10 to the power 14 to 3.75 into 10 to the power 14 Hz. So this is the frequency. Okay, question will ask that which microwaves has maximum frequency. So maximum frequency means that wavelength is minimum, then the frequency is maximum, that is gamma rays, and minimum frequency radio waves. All the microwaves, all the electromagnetic waves having the speed or velocity of all the electromagnetic waves is fixed or constant, that is same, that is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second in air and or vacuum. In air and vacuum. Clear? So this is the fixed value. Now here we know F varies 1 by lambda. Now if the wavelength of red light wavelength, how much? 800 nanometer. 800 nanometer. So 800 nanometer means 8,000 angstrom. 8,000 angstrom. So what is the frequency of the red light? Okay, so we have to find out the frequency of red light. What is the frequency of the red light? We know that red light also pass. This velocity of the red light is 3 into 10 to the power 8. Only this is given. The wavelength is given. Okay, the wavelength is given, and nothing, no other data is given. But we know the red light is also pass with a speed of velocity of 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So we will use this one. Now we know the formula, that this formula F equal to V by lambda. F equal to V by lambda. Put the V equal to we will take V equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Now look at this. Here nanometer is given. The wavelength R of red light is in given nanometer, 800 nanometer. So first nanometer will convert into meter. Okay. So if you multiply with 10 to the power 9, this nanometer will convert into meter. So by calculating, we get 10 to the power 7 meter. So the wavelength of red light is 8 into 10 to the power minus 7 meter. This is the SI unit. Why we are converting this one nanometer to meter? Because we will use this one. This is meter. This is also meter per second. Okay. So the wavelength of the red light is 800 nanometer, means 8 into 10 to the power minus 7 meter, and velocity is given. Now F equal to V by lambda, put this value, V equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, and lambda equal to 8 into 10 to the power minus 7. So 3 by 8, and this will become 10 to the power 15, because this minus 7, if you go up, then this will become plus. So 8 plus 7, 15. 3 by 8 is equal to 3.75, and this is 10 to the power 14, because if you this will become 3.75, this will become 10 to the power 14. Just calculate it. Okay, so from this we get from this method we will calculate the frequency. Okay, hope you have understood. If they ask that if the wavelength of a electromagnetic wave or gamma rays or any other rays, that is infrared, or if a wavelength of electromagnetic wave is 400 nanometer, okay, then we can easily find out the frequency, because we know this one, velocity of a wavelength 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So if this is given nanometer, so multiply 400 into 10 to the power minus 9, this will become meter. So this calculate, we get the frequency. So find out if electromagnetic wave having wavelength is 400 nanometer. So what is the frequency? Just write in the comment and tell me the answer. Frequency of the wavelength, frequency of the electromagnetic wave having wavelength 400 nanometer. Clear? So this is all about of this chapter. Okay.